Transferring money from RBC to Simplii is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To transfer money from RBC to Simplii account, you have to open up its RBC Royal Bank website. Now, from its website, you will get to know about the process of how to transfer money between your accounts. To transfer money between accounts in the mobile app, online banking, and ATM, you can select the option of your choice. Now, there are several ways to bank for digital banking tutorials to move money. And for a mobile app, you have to tap Move Money in the navigation bar. Then tap Transfer between my accounts. You can also follow the on-screen instructions. Now tap on Online Banking to know its method for money transfer. Then, sign in and go to the Quick Payments and Transfer section on the right side of the page. After that, choose a From and To account. Then enter an amount and click Submit.